Embaixador Brunei Darussalam iha Timor-Leste despede o Primeiru Ministru Rala Xanana Gusma.
Embaixador Brunei Darussalam iha Timor-Leste despedida o Primeiru Ministru Rala Xanana Gusma iha Palácio Governo tama mandato terminaona. Ia despedida embaixador reconhece durante mandato tinantolo consegue desenvolver cooperação e setor saúde, educação, indústria petróleo no gás, no conectividade aérea.
During my tenure here, there's a lot of development that has happened. Among others, our cooperation have strengthened, including in several strategic sectors such as health, education, defense, oil and gas industry. And we are looking at ways on how to strengthen it further. And several ministers, several high-level visits have been conducted during my term here, including His Majesty's visit to Timor-Leste last year, and also the President visit in 2023, the President's State visit. Several ministers has also been visiting Brunei, including Minister Ajo, Vice Prime Minister, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and Minister of Interior. And during that visit, they've met with their counterpart, Brunei Minister, and discussed on ways on how to strengthen cooperation between Brunei and Timor-Leste.
Ia bibang embaixador nemos congratula Timor-Leste nebe seisai hanesan membro pleno ba ASEAN ia fulan Oktober tinane.
Let me also congratulate Timor-Leste for after the decision by the ASEAN leaders recently in the ASEAN summit that Timor-Leste will become a full member during the 47th ASEAN summit in Kuala Lumpur in October. All the best, Timor-Leste, and Viva Timor-Leste.
Chefe governo agradece a dedicação do embaixador Brunei Darussalam nebe hametin relação internacional rua durante nova futuro. Embaixador hahu halokonari Timor-Leste a fulan junho tinang rigoron resin rua no filahikas ba Brunei Darussalam atu halau filafali misang seluk. Equipa cobertura ZMN.